Thank you. So, good morning. Special greeting to all of you. We are Doctors Marisol, Esperanza, Cipagauta, Moyano, and Adriana Castro. And we want to share at this conference presentation titled Applied Research Using Information and Communication Technologies. Basically, this presentation is the result of the analysis that we have carried out on the research work of the students at master's degree in education. This is a master's degree that is developed in a virtual mode and belongs to Corporación Universitaria Minuto, Dios in Colombia. In this master's degree, students develop a research project as their degree option. Likewise, there are different lines of research where students register the project that they will develop during the process. Today, we are going to talk about the group that is in charge of researching innovation from information and communication technologies. Well, the development of each project, which is always accompanied by a director with a group of students, is developed in 4 phases. The first phase is the identification of the themes that are going to be developed, the cases, and the related research problems with the application of technologies in educational environments. The second phase is about the information of the research group and the problems they will address during the 3 academic periods after doing an entire analysis of the problem. They define the objectives, the justification, the theoretical framework, the methodological components, and the analysis made of the problem case or situation that has been defined. The students analyze and present the results gained, and all of this under a mixed methodology where qualitative and quantitative are result in different products that developed until the research time. Finally, in the phase 4, students prepare a series of academic works for dissemination and which may consist of a national or international presentations, a reflection article, a research article, a dissemination article on the topic analyzed, or socialization and internal events that organizes the master's degree program. It is important to note that these projects are done collaboratively, since they are done between 15 and 20 students that work on a topic to whom the director distributes. It is important that many of these investigations are done by region, the region where they live, and contribute to identify the research problem. Well, when collaborative work is used, soft skills are strengthened. There is a promotion of diversity precisely because we can find students from various professions who contribute to the solution or to identify the problem. Time is also optimized. There is a promotion of interdisciplinarity in different areas of knowledge. Critical thinking is also developed in a special way. Based on these researches, we have carried out an analysis of the work trends of the master students in the ICT line in the last year. As a result of this analysis, we found that research focuses mainly on the use of technologies such as gamification or the use of design thinking, transmedia, flipped classroom, among others, where optimal and relevant appropriate use of information technologies is made. The learning styles related to collaborative learning influence the individual and group performance of the students. So, to know the characteristics of each one of the creation, it makes it reflective work team and greater empowerment of the activity that they performed. This way, apathetic, sociable, or hermetic behaviors are avoided in this kind of collaborative work. Regarding to the integration of ICT, in the classroom, teachers agree that they use technological tools in the practices as a complement of the teaching process. Thus, they affirm that it gets possible to capture the students' attention in a better way. In general, they show a good results as long as they have adequate teaching support. Another interesting result is that the implementation of ICTs is accompanied by the development of projects and programs for their use. As well as relevant methodologies that update teaching work and learning processes. And this is a kind of capacity that is implemented in the institutions, which allows them to continue growing according to the new challenges, needs, opportunities in their communities. Talking about the challenges, the students to see the use of ICT as learning is exercise and not a banal issue. The observations made allow us to state that students are able to differentiate the use of ICT in learning and entertainment. Teachers value them because they are aware that technology is the language that young people use right now, and they use it as a tool for learning, for a personal growth, and for a complement by the management community. This has also allowed us to see how technology is incorporated into learning environments every day, making them more dynamic, more flexible, more inclusive, as long as they adequate the training for teachers and permanent strengthen or digital competencies. This can lead to research work that is truly applied and returned in the context where the master students operate, everything to contribute to the educational quality in today's education. In this sense, the role of the teacher is ratified as a learning mediator who guides his students in their cognitive process. Well, it is pertinent to attend the investigations of the students of the Masters in Education contemplate innovation, either pedagogical or educational, as part of the necessary change for the transformation of ICT research. And this is the investigations of our students which refer to challenges presented by teachers, students, and educational community in general, relation to the issues according to the changes that new technologies bring about the pedagogical matters. Finally, it is important to clarify that innovation in pedagogical training is a continuous cycle which points the virtue of teachers and students in mutual learning that goes hand in hand with the need or for changing in favor of new forms of education. Well, this is everything. We thank you for your attention, and these are our emails to share with you these interesting points or developing, joining. Welcome everyone, and thank you so much. If you have any questions, we can answer them.